You're staring at your phone, typing a message to a native English speaker. You want to sound natural, but you hit a mental wall, second-guessing your grammar right before you press send. A common trap is assuming that because an event is happening right now, you need to add an ing to the end of every verb. That leads to awkward phrasing, like I am liking my lunch, instead of the natural I like my lunch. Over the next few minutes, we're going to fix that. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to write a flawless 3-sentence status update about what you are doing and feeling right now. To make this stick, you'll need to write along with me. Go ahead and grab a pen and paper, or open a digital notepad on your device. Getting this right is crucial. Knowing exactly when to stop yourself from adding that ing separates a textbook translation from natural, fluent English. Step 1 of our update is describing an action. We need to define a physical or mental task that you are actively performing at this exact second. Look at this grammar reference table. This shows the present continuous tense. To build it, you start with your subject, add the correct form of the to-be verb, am, is, or are, and then attach the ing suffix to your action verb. The most common mistake here is dropping that middle piece. The am, is, or are is mandatory. You cannot just say, I watching a movie. It has to be, I am watching a movie. Here is an illustration showing different people performing active tasks. One person is streaming videos, another is playing games. These are active, ongoing processes. Now it's your turn. Write down sentence number 1 of your update. Use the formula to describe whatever active physical task you are doing right now. The present continuous tense works perfectly here because it is a specialized tool. It is built exclusively to handle active, ongoing tasks, not to act as a universal present tense. But not every verb is an action. Some verbs describe a condition that simply exists. These verbs actively resist the ing ending. We call these stative verbs. Because they describe a state of being rather than a process, they must remain locked in the simple present tense. The structure physically rejects the continuous ing form. There are 4 distinct categories of stative verbs. The first 2 are thoughts, like the verbs think or understand, and possession, such as have or belong. The remaining 2 categories cover our emotions, using verbs like love or hate, and our physical senses, utilizing words like see or smell. All 4 of these categories represent realities that exist continuously. Adding an ing to them suggests a temporary, active performance, which breaks the internal logic of the statement. Before you finish your update, take a second to mentally audit the words you plan to use. Check them against those 4 stative categories. Let's look at a visual layout using the senses. The soup is smelling awful is incorrect because smell is a state. We use the simple present instead. The soup smells awful. We see the same rule apply to emotions. You wouldn't write, Monica is liking to read. The correct natural phrasing is, Monica likes reading. Go back to your notepad. I want you to draft sentences 2 and 3 of your status update. Pick verbs from the stative categories to describe exactly what you think or how you feel at this moment. It takes practice to catch yourself. Actively suppressing the urge to add an ing to your feelings, thoughts, and senses is how you prove you have mastered this rule. Now, bring it all together. Combine your single action sentence and your 2 stative sentences into a cohesive 3-sentence update. Here is a flowchart mapping out a text conversation. Notice how naturally the speakers pivot between their current state of being and the active tasks they are performing. Run your final mental checklist. Verify that your action sentence includes that critical to-be verb. Then, check your 2 state sentences to ensure they are locked into the simple present tense. Look at this dialog box. The character Amy is on a video call. She accurately explains her current state and actions by using the correct tenses, avoiding confusion with the person on the other end. Let's see your work. Type your completed 3-sentence update down in the comments below so we can review it. Mastering these tense distinctions allows you to communicate exactly where you are, what you are doing, and how you feel to the rest of the world.